I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your standard childhood account is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the standard Chartered app. Launch the app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Cards. Once you're in the app, look for the Cards section in the main menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the Cards section, find and select the option that says Add Debit Card. This will take you to the Card Addition screen. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in the required information, such as your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos to avoid errors. Note, if you accidentally enter the wrong CVV, the app will prompt you to re-enter. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering all the details, review them and hit the confirm button to save your new debit card. You should see a confirmation message shortly. I hope this guide helps you add your debit card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.